Tragedy, 3 dead in car crash out west. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, under control, Prime Minister responds to yesterday's major traffic pileup in the corporate area.
Danger looms, the collapse of yet another get-rich-quick scheme.
Outraged, coffee farmers in St. Thomas still counting losses.
CCJ strikes again. Court rules that law criminalizing cross-dressing is unconstitutional in Guyana.
And in business news, Digicel again extends deadline for debt swap valuing $3 billion.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are you doing to reduce the mosquito population in your area?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.